Hi, this quick video is to show you how to find a book either using its title or by using your own keywords. So at the end of this session, we'll have found a book by its title and looked about how we use the click and collect system, and then thought a little bit about what keywords we may use to find our own information, and then limiting that search to online books only. The book we're going to look for in this case is one called Essential Studies, The Complete Guide. This sort of covers the other side of university. Not only have you got your subject information you need to develop, but also your core information and subject guide skills. This is the library homepage, where you can find all the information on our resources, how to use the library, and the other side of university, as I mentioned, your different skills that you might want to develop, and the all-important help options and current information on COVID. To find any of our information, we're going to start with library search. Library search can also be accessed via My Hallam, which will give you an indication if everything is linked up if you go in that way. First thing to do is sign in. If you sign in, it means you're going to get access to all the materials that we have bought in. The username and password is the same for any of the resources within the university. So we're now back at library search. So we simply type the title and search. It gives you some options. Because it's quite a specific title, the book should probably come towards the top of the list. Here you see we have two versions of the book, and if we click onto the record, we can see a little bit more. This information is going to open in a separate window, so you can still get back to library search if you need to. When you are able to search for information yourself in the library and find your own books, this number here, called the Dewey number, is the information you need to locate from something. But for now, all you need to do if you want to read this book is press the request option, and that will take you into the click and collect process. You can request the book, and once it is available, you'll be sent an email and information about how you go about collecting the book itself. If you wanted to do some of your own reading, like self-discovery, then you would just use keywords. So in this case, I'm interested in study skills, so I might simply do a study skills search. And again, the system gives you some help. If we search again, we'll see in this case we're going to get a lot of results back because we've been less specific. It might be that you find yourself this semester reading most of your information online. So if you wanted to get an online book, how might you use this? So we've done our search, and this is where we use the refine section. We've decided the type of information we want is a book. You can see some of the other options available to us, such as journal articles for research, video, conference proceedings, all available through this system. So we click on that limiter. So we're now just going to have the books, and it greatly reduces the number of hits we've got. Finally, because we're working from home at the moment, very often, or working off campus, we want online options only, and we can click online. If we look at this second book down, similar to actually getting the physical book, if we just click on its title, you'll get linked through to the online options as well. Online options are often either download or read online. We strongly advise you to read online. The downloads are limited, and this keeps the books available for more students. The online link is here. Any problems, then ask at the help desk. Sometimes you get more than one provider, but all we have to do is follow those links through to the book, where we can just read online, cut and paste some of it, look at the images, its references. Ebooks will probably be something you use a lot this year, and hopefully you'll get a lot of benefit from it. Thank you.